Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the snooze feature in Gmail, which will let you snooze an email to help you remember to act on it later. So it's kind of the same thing as marking something as unread, except it will show up in your inbox again as new again once it's unsnoozed, to kind of give you a little kick to make sure you notice it, so you'll make sure to act on it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to send an email from one address to another. So this Todd guy here, here's our main guy, and we're going to send one from Cindy here. And let's call this okay, so we'll send that. Go back over here, wait for it to come in. Okay, so now on this email here, we're going to just, you don't even have to open it. You could just click to check it. So it's 10:18 right now. We're going to snooze it. So you could pick the one of the default times here, or you could pick an exact date and time. So we're going to do, today's the 5th, so we're going to do it at 10:20. Okay, so now you can see it. It's out of our inbox, and if you go to your snoozed, there it is. You'll see that it's there set for 10:20. So if we go back to our inbox and we wait until 10:20, we'll see what happens here. Okay, so now that it's 10:20, you see it shows up as a new email once again. So it's kind of like she just sent it right now, and says it was snoozed less than an hour ago. So kind of like a little reminder that this is something that you had snoozed previously and you might want to act on it. So once again, pretty simple. So you could do that to any email that comes in. Just, you could even do it from the email. If you're within the email, just click on the snooze icon there, pick one of the defaults here, or pick a date and time and snooze it. And then you'll notice it'll be in your snooze folder. This one's not in the snooze folder anymore because it's already past the 10:20 here. And then you could act on it from there, or just wait till it shows up in your inbox as a new email again, and then you'll be reminded that you need to read it. All right, pretty simple. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.